What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Crypto Chain Gang. I got some solid content for you today, and let's just hop right into. I'm gonna go right into the chart thing here that I've done that I want to show you. Now, first off, let me go back to where we're at currently. Um, do do do. Right here is the current price action, and let me actually hop up over this chart real quick. So as you can see, we have broke down right here in this super tight consolidation period here in the 31,000 mark. We actually just broke down. So we're continuing to move down in this channel. Now, what I wanted to show you today is what I've done here on this back testing. So here's Bitcoin versus US dollar tether, just a stable coin. What what I'm seeing here. So here's a 4 hour. Let me pop back over to what I want to show you. So this is back in, where's that? January. Okay, so this is around the January time of last year. And so this is where price was trading at that little green dotted line back in January. And you can see it's a very similar like wedge pattern here. And what I happen to see is that we had one, two, three, four major touches um, on that, bottom trend line zone before eventually continuing on and moving to the upside. So what I did, was compare that to where we're at over here on the other side. But just looking at it here, after that fourth touch, we had that really strong impulsive move to the upside that basically broke us out of the downtrend and created the new uptrend. And if you actually took the Fibonacci, which is right here, right from the swing low to the swing high, you would see that that golden pocket, that 50 to 618, is actually that little circle right there. And from that point in there, it went absolutely parabolic. It took us on the leg that went all the way up to 64,000. So what I simply did, since price is trading at this exact level right now, I went ahead and copied the bars here, the candlesticks, came over and imprinted it to just to give a general idea of what this next leg could look like. So this is just on there, just as a quick um, visual, right? But what I'm expecting is that, well, right now, actually, we could potentially be creating that fourth touch. So if you look at it, there's one, two, three. And we might be creating that fourth pull down or touch here to that bottom line before we are continuing back up with an impulsive move to the upside back to that 42,000 mark, which is in perfect um, alignment here. As you can see, that green, that big thick green right above that 4 is where that $42,000 mark is on the US dollar chart. Now this is the bullish case right here, guys. So this is only if we remain bullish and we hold these lows and the bottom is in and we continue to have an impulsive move up and then a continuation. Then we could see that next leg all the way up to 54,000. Now, coming back over here, like I talked about before, the bear case is very much still in play. So we could see this, what just happened where this broke out. This could be a fake out to the downside. It could reverse and continue up, or it could just be breaking down and it could melt all the way down, into the 20s. So it's definitely a possibility. Just want to give you a quick update on the actual charts. Now, one other thing I want to show you, however, is this guy Will. He's becoming one of the great, just like not technical analysis, but rather why am I blanking right now? Not technical analysis, but he takes basically data driven analysis and allows everybody to see it on Twitter because Glassnode is pretty expensive to actually get in there and be able to see all of their data and everything and the charts that they put together. But here's one that he graciously tweeted out to everyone. So whales have added another 37,000 Bitcoin to their holdings today. This was like the other day, right? Yeah, the 17th. They have now added 80,980 Bitcoin to their holdings in the month of July, right? So quite often, see the masses do the opposite, right? And so this is not the masses. This is the people who have the most amount of Bitcoin. These are the whales. A whales is an entity that holds more than 10,000 Bitcoin, or I think 1,000 Bitcoin. And as you can see, um, from back in February, March, they basically were selling it off the entire time. While it was on that parabolic move up, they were selling off their coin. Now, since May, and really a big spike in July, as you can see in the circle there, they've been accumulating like crazy. So what's that mean? The big hands, the diamond hands, the people with a lot of money, they are buying it up in groves right now. So these little dips, this is great for the whales because they're buying up. Good thing is, guys, we can act just like the whales as well. Whether you're buying $15, $10, $50, $500, all that matters is that you're stacking sats, you're increasing your ownership of the most scarce asset to mankind. And that's what matters in the long run. $1 in 2012 would now be $100,000. So just follow the whales. We may see a little bit of a pump down here, or it could be a fake out, and we could just zoom right up. So thanks for everything, guys. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Um, if you like this video, hit the like and subscribe. Appreciate everything. And yeah, have a wonderful one. Ciao.